Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Style Painter in Affinity Publisher table. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document and take some pages with some text and tables. Then click inside the text box and click this table. Now we can see we make a table and click inside. Now we want to use the format painter, style painter, select this cells or click inside the table, then go to the table option and we can see here many options. We go to some down and we can see here the vertical positions or rotation, etc. You can applying the stroke and fill colors. Now I select the fill. You can applying the color. Otherwise you can applying the frame. Then we select this three dot and select close. Then click outside of the text box, press the move tool. Now we can see we use the style painter to Affinity Publisher table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.